Hey guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create poll in WhatsApp. So you have to just open the WhatsApp and you can only create a poll in a group. So you have to make a group first of all, or you have to be present in a group. So to create a poll, in the bottom where you write the chats, you have to do one more thing. On the attach option, just click on attach, and in the iOS you will find it here in the place of a smiley, right, in the place of emoji. So you have to just click on the attach, and here the last option that is called poll, just click on the poll, and here you have to select you have to write your question. So you can just type anything. For example, uh, let me show you which animal is better, right? So, and after that you can just add option, and you can add as many options you can want, and you can also place it by touching it here, right? And this is how you can do it. And after doing it, on the bottom right side corner you can see the arrow, just click on here, and that's it guys. So your poll has been created, and in the group anybody can poll over your two options. And after that, if you want to view the votes or the result, click on view votes, and after that you can see it. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really interesting and helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.